What's up guys, welcome back to LaFilleChic. I'm Bidisha. I make fashion and lifestyle videos on this channel and occasionally nerd out about books, movies and stuff like that. So if you're interested in any of those, make sure to hit the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to subscribe so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Today I'm in Sabhyata, which is inside Mantri Mall, and I'm gonna check out their ethnic collection and try and make a few outfits. Let's get started.
For this first look, I picked out this two-piece set. But instead of wearing it as it is, I decided to make two different outfits out of it. Here, I've put on this basic blue jeans and a black crop top, and over it, I threw on this ethnic jacket from Sabhyata. I also put on these earrings by them, which are priced at Rs 125. For the second look, I'm wearing the gown of the same two-piece set. I've put on a belt over it to give it more shape and also added a rustic red jacket that goes with the red of the gown. These gorgeous earrings that I have on are also from Sabhyata and they retail at Rs 175. And the kurta gown set comes for Rs 1799. Next, I picked up an ethnic skirt and decided to put an outfit around it. This skirt cost Rs 15.99 and with it I'm again wearing a black basic easy to find crop top. Sabhyata also has a collection of neck pieces, and with this look I wore a blue one as a contrast to the skirt. You'll get this neck piece for 180 bucks. For the last outfit, I wore these printed palazzos priced at Rs 9.99 and once again wore it with the basic crop top. Over it, I threw on a shawl in the shade of pink to match the pink in the bottom part of the palazzo pants. They have some beautiful shawls and dupattas, so do check them out when you visit the store. The shawl that I have on retails at $13.49. I also put on these blue earrings that come for Rs 125. Anyways, to wrap this look up, I put a belt over the shawl, that way it maintains the shape in which I want it to sit on my body.
Thanks for watching the video. Do comment below which outfit was your favorite, and also check out the Sabhyata stores in Bangalore. I'll put the locations in the description box below. Yeah, with that, that's a wrap. See you in the next video. Bye.